Hello, everyone, and namaste to all of you. Myself is Shazia Shakil Haider. I'm from India, and I'm going to introduce myself that I am the member of advisory board of Molibon Matli Foundation, and as well as I am the educational director in India also. So here I'm going to tell us something about telling you something about the Molibon Matli Foundation, especially our Molibon Matli Foundation. Our CEO Molibon Matli is she is from 17 years. She is in this field to promote especially in social services, to promote education, to educate students in African region, and especially Molibon Matli wants to awake the students in the African region also. So here you can see that the MMF, Molibon Matli Foundation, that we are working on the hygiene program also. We are working on girls education also. We are working on the scholarship program also. So our scholarship program, which is the collaboration, you can say, like the Indo-Africa scholarship program, which we are going to the partnership with the ASGAN and GSEF, which is Global South Education Fund. So you can see that our vision with the partnership of ASGAN and GSEF to educate, to promote education among the students of African region. So here, what is the purpose of the Indo-Africa scholarship, where through our students came to India, and after that they will get their desirable subject, and they also have a very successful future. So after that, so basically the purpose of Indo-Africa scholarship program scheme is to encourage, is to support, is to enhance human capital development in South Africa by providing access to undergraduate, postgraduate, diploma, certificate, and professional courses for the financial year of 2025 and 2026, and respectively. So in India, this collaboration aims to strengthen South Africa's capacity in the support international opportunities for the students. So students, and foster a stronger academic research. So these ties between the two countries, and after that we can say that our student became more strong, and after that they will have lots of opportunities for their future perspective. So basically our now, dear all students, our application is almost our applications are open, and this is basically started from 15th of October till 15th of August, the starting time of application, and the deadline is the 15th of October. So if you are interested, so you may apply from 15th of August to till 15th of October. And one thing more, that those who are applying for this scholarship program, so you most welcome to India. And here we all are, especially from ASGAN, especially from Molibon Matli Foundation, GSEF. So we all heartily welcome to all our students, especially in India. So please come and join this educational program, that is a scholarship program. This is 100% fruitful for your future, for your bright future, and this also opens the gates of success for your upcoming future, so for your bright future. So I wish you all the best, and all the best to all students, those who are applying for this scholarship program. So thank you so much from the Molibon Matli Foundation, and our vision to promote students, our vision to educate students, our vision to, through this type of a scholarship program like Indo-Africa scholarship program, our vision to educate our students, and we have to create more opportunities for their future. So thank you so much to all of you, and namaste to all of you, Molibon Matli Foundation from India. Thank you so much.